I'm John, and welcome to Everything English with John, the best place on the internet to learn and practice the English language with an American teacher. I'm from New Jersey in the United States, close to New York City, and I have been an English teacher for 7 years. My first job was in Costa Rica, in a school, where I lived for about 2 years. After that, I worked in many schools around New Jersey, in a Brazilian community and another Latino community, but most of the time I teach online with Skype to people from all around the world. And I love to travel, so I take my job and my students with me, and I travel with them, working, practicing, studying, and doing other interesting things. I studied at New Jersey City University and got my degree, where I became a certified teacher in my state. After that, I went to New York City to study at Cambridge University, and I got my CELTA, which means I am certified to teach the English language to speakers of other languages. If you would like to learn grammar, vocabulary, pronunciation, idioms, fluency, and everything English, then I would love to be your teacher. I'm here to explain the English language in a clear way and correct your errors and explain them to you so you don't make those same errors in the future and you feel more confident speaking English with a native speaker or other people around the world, like when you travel, negotiate, or have clients or anything, any type of situation. It's everything English. What's the difference between much and many? What about in, on, and at? What's the difference? And when do we use a phrasal verb, such as put on or take off? Again, I'm here to explain all of that in a very clear way to help you improve and feel confident. I personally believe that the best way to learn a language is with relaxation, communication, and trust between student and teacher, kind of like friends. This is how children learn languages and other things very quickly because they're relaxed and they have space in their mind to process in a comfortable environment. This is the method that I used to teach doctors and lawyers, business people, software engineers, and many other professions. Those software engineers were also so confident in their English that they went on to pass tech interviews with big companies like Google and Facebook and Amazon and Uber and Booking.com and so many other places. Traditional classroom methods are often very disappointing. They usually focus on vocabulary like numbers or colors. Yeah, they're useful, but not very effective at expressing yourself or communicating in the real world. That's why with a personal teacher and a friend, we can grow, improve, and learn together. But not only in English, in life. Language means life skills. So if you would like to be my student, then I would love to be your teacher. You can learn English. It's possible. We all need someone to guide us and help us to grow, improve, and succeed in our goals and objectives. If you have any questions, please visit my website, everythingenglishwithjohn.com, and please send me a message. Contact me. We can learn and grow together. Thank you. See you in class.
And what can I say about John?
It's not a regular class that, it's quite boring, etc.
John is very patient teacher and it's very comfortable to study with him.
And I want to thank John for his creativity, for such useful and informative materials, and for really funny atmosphere during the classes.
I found John's classes very effective and at the same time interesting and fun.
John is a great teacher because he always comes up with interesting topics to discuss.
He knows exactly what my problem is, so he can catch it.
What I really like, he chooses the material for each student personally, based on their English level and personal preferences.
And one thing that I was able to realize is that I'm more confident speaking English at work. I'm sure it's a result of the lessons, and I really appreciate it.
So each day I'm getting better and better. Now I'm totally confident to talk in English.
Basic English conversation, exam preparation, you name it. I believe John will help you with that.
Fast forward to today, I think I improved a lot. Thanks to John. Great job, my friend.
And it was a great experience. John is a good teacher.
I think he's a great teacher and a good friend.
And I love studying with him because he actually is my friend.
I absolutely can recommend him.
I would like to recommend you John, my English teacher.
I enjoy his lessons and I recommend everybody to join his lessons.
Just try it out. Have a great time and yeah, thanks again.
Just thank you, John.
Choose John and you will never regret about it.
Thanks, John.
Thank you so much.
He's best teacher ever.
Thank you, John. You're the best.